I leave the UK forever, literally never coming back here ever to live in less than 20 days. What's up guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. Your girl's moving to Dubai permanently, which is insane, but it's happening. That's the excuse that I'm using to buy some weather appropriate activewear. If you guys are already subscribed to me, then you will know I'm a leggings and long sleeve activewear girly. I am not one of those girls who wears short shorts and a sports bra because it's just not my vibe. We are moving to a country where it's extremely hot outside. It's gonna be difficult working out in 36 plus degrees in a long sleeve top and full length leggings, which means it's time to buy some shorts. As always, I try on everything that I am also unboxing because I think it's always good to see what an item looks like on the body. For reference, I am 5'7". I am in between a UK 8 to 10, and that means I'm also in between sizes small to medium in general. I would say with On Active leggings full length now, I do gravitate more towards a small because I'm cutting, my glutes have disappeared. But with the shorts, I have gone for a size medium, and the t-shirts that I will show you, I have gone for a small because they are already an oversized fit. So I always size down because I have very narrow shoulders. I always find things just don't fit me on the shoulders if I get them in mediums. So that's just a little reference for you there. It's enough talking, Andrea. Let's start actually unboxing. I love unboxing videos. Literally, my whole YouTube before I got into fitness, you'll see if you scroll really far back, everything I did was latest pickups and unboxing videos. I don't know what it is, but I just love talking about products. I really love textures, colors, fits. I've always just been so interested in the way products are created. It's not even about me owning them. I just love talking about products. So I have gone for a few bright colors. We're gonna start off with my absolute favorite ever color, blue. This is the classic relaxed cropped lightweight t-shirt. This is what the packaging looks like. Time for something extraordinary. They have a tonal logo on the t-shirt as well, so it's a little bit more subtle. I love tonal moments, but I do also love the contrast. I'm in between. Here is a close-up so you can see what it looks like, and it is sewn on, it's not printed. What I find about these cropped t-shirts is they are very cropped and they are very wide, so it looks really weird on camera when I'm holding it like this. But when you actually put the t-shirt on, it makes a really nice shape around your body. I'm really excited to actually put this on after. I bought the exact same t-shirt in a different color. I am going for bright colors. Look, when the sun is out, I'm not this beige low-key girl. Like, we need color, we need something. So we've got it in this pink. The actual colorway is called Velvet Pink. Again, I got this in a small. Also, the back of the packaging has On Active written there. I would say I am a pink girly. I do love pink, but I'm also not the biggest Barbie pink girl. I like something that's always a little bit muted. I just feel like hot pink isn't really my vibe so much. I like it, but I don't gravitate towards it that much. So this type of velvety pink works for me. And oh, I just realized this one actually has a contrast logo on it. I always think this makes me look better than this, but I love both, so we wear both. The next t-shirt I got is still a crop top, but it's a slightly different design. So this is the classic Oner graphic crop top. Again, lightweight t-shirt. This is in a moonstone blue, so it's a little bit more muted. Spoiler alert, I actually bought this in the shorts as well. But let's talk about the t-shirt first. I am really excited to move to Dubai. It's like a whole different chapter for me. So there's gonna be a lot more opportunities out there for me. And I've been traveling back and forth from Dubai for about a year now. And I know that this is the place for me to thrive. I've actually got this t-shirt in a grey colour, which is why I purchased this again. I love the way this particular crop top fits. It's slightly different to the other ones. This is super lightweight. I actually think this is slightly thinner than the other ones. And it has Oner printed at the front. This one is not sewn, this is a print. But I just think this is such a pretty color. If I'm not wearing a long sleeve crop top, I am wearing a short sleeve baggy crop top. These are my go-tos. And last but not least, we have two pairs of their cycling shorts. I don't get the really long ones and I don't get the really short ones. There are ones that are in the middle and that's like the perfect length for me. I feel comfortable in the length, especially when I'm doing leg day. I don't feel like my cheeks are gonna be fully out. I'll insert some videos here, actually, of me working out in the green colorway of these shorts. I think it's olive. And you can see that they're not incredibly short, but they're not those really, really long shorts either. They are the Effortless seamless shorts. I want to actually do a few different cuts and styles of shorts. So these ones are the Effortless ones. You have the scrunch at the back, and then we have the logo on the side here, not printed. This is part of the shorts, sewn on completely, so there will be no fading or any cracking of the logo. Yes, I will be wearing these colors together. This is the Cole shorts. Now, I actually wanted the Cole leggings, but then I thought, you know what? If I get the Cole leggings now, realistically, I'm not gonna wear them that much before I leave. So I thought, let's buy the shorts. First of all, they're a little bit cheaper, and second, I will actually get wear out of this in the next few months. So this is what they look like. This is the color. I love gray as well. I feel like gray goes so well with different colors. Actually, I think gray goes really well with the pink. This is one of the outfits where we've got the matching t-shirt to the shorts. This is what I mean by these t-shirts are cropped at the front, but then they have a slightly elongated part to the side. And I think it just creates a really nice shape when you wear it. And this is also what I mean by the length of the shorts. I feel really, really comfortable in them. They're not squeezing my legs either, where I feel like I'm suffocating. They are such a soft material. They just fit really, really nicely. And you can see the logo on the side, the back. It's just such a pretty fit. I can't explain to you what I feel when I wear Oner Active, especially because I'm someone who has always felt so self-conscious in an outfit like this. I'm going to swap this t-shirt now with the pink one so you can see what the color looks like. This is the classic relaxed fit. As you can see, this is a completely different silhouette. The sleeves are so much longer and the general crop is also longer. So there is no way I could get this in a bigger size. It has to be a small because this is already super oversized. I think these colors look cute together. Personally, I do prefer the other style of the t-shirt compared to this one, but I still do really love this. But still really cute. And here are the cold gray shorts with the cobalt blue top. I absolutely love these colors as well, honestly. Like, I'm just obsessed. It's a lot longer on the back compared to the front. And then of course the white logo on the cold shorts. And I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite color is, maybe even what your favorite combination is. And if you are not subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you for getting this far in the video if you have. And I will see you guys very soon in another video. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!